Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 70 plate Volkswagen Arteon Airline. The car itself is presented in this wonderful silver metallic paint, and it's got the lovely and beautifully driven 2 litre TSI engine, then that's powered through a DSG gearbox. Looking at the front of the vehicle, with it being an Airline, you get the Xenon headlights, a more sportier front bumper with the black inserts around the fog lights, your chrome centre detailing, and again gloss black runs throughout the grille with the lovely Airline badge. Looking down the side of the vehicle, you can see again more Airline badge in there on the side of the door and into the wing. The car itself is riding on these fantastic 19-inch bicolour alloys, and again they're riding on lovely tyres all round. As we make our way down the side of the vehicle, you can see there's more chrome detailing throughout the vehicle. You've got privacy glass and the car itself is in, again, fantastic order. Moving on to the rear, you've got this lovely gloss black lip spoiler which complements the front grille with the gloss black detailing. You've got LED rear lights and rear parking sensors, and again chrome detailing throughout. Moving on to the boot of the vehicle with this car, it's a fantastic boot space. You've got plenty of room to fit prams, shopping, everything like that. It is a really big boot. Under the boot floor, you've got a very rare option, which is a full-size spare wheel, your jack, your wheel brace, and your first aid kit. So everything you need if you do end up needing a puncture. Looking down the passenger side of the vehicle, again, the chrome detailing runs throughout, again at the bottom of the doors, all around the windows, and the wheels again, they're in fantastic order, and again riding on lovely tyres all round. Right, let's take a look inside. I'll show you into the rear of the vehicle first, because like I said, there is very minimal wear on the leather seats, and what's fantastic about these, it's the full Nappa leather with the carbon effect inserts. You've got a lovely centre armrest and cup holders, so you've got plenty of space. The car itself is presented with its 2 rear mats, and the drivers are in the front. But again, very minimal wear on all the backs of the seats. You've got your climate into the rear of the vehicle itself, but again, no wear at all on anything like that. Right, moving on to the front. This car is a very well specified car from factory. It's got a few lovely options on it, which we'll talk about them in a moment. But looking through the controls, you've got 4 electric windows, your Powerfold mirrors, which will fold in when the car is locked. You've got your boot releases, so you just press that once and it'll pop the boot. Your auto lights, so you just leave them on all the time and they come on automatically for you. But again, looking at the steering wheel, it's the full Airline flat bottom steering wheel, and looking round the steering wheel itself, there's very minimal wear on the steering wheel. This car itself has got the virtual cockpit, so you can have the sat nav in the middle, and if we flick through here, if you just look at the bottom, you've got lane keep assist, your adaptive cruise control, which is that one and that one, but again the sat nav is in the middle. With this car, you can change the view of the dials itself, so you've got this basic view here, and you can have the full satellite navigation view there with a speedo at the bottom. Like I said, you can customise these a hell of a lot, these vehicles. And then moving on to the steering wheel, you've got your adaptive cruise control, which lets you turn it on there. That's just coming up now saying it's been deactivated. You've got voice command, and this just affects all the screen in there. But moving on to the radio itself, this is a massive factory option on one of these cars. It's the Discovery Pro navigation, so it's the bigger screen. You don't have any of the toggles on the side, it's all just touch screen. But looking through, you've got your menu, you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, sat nav, your driver assistance, which that's your adaptive pre-collision assist. You've got your media connect, so you've got Bluetooth audio, things like that. Your Apple CarPlay, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink. So MirrorLink, basically when your phone's connected with Bluetooth, you don't need a cable in with it itself, it'll just perfectly mirror it straight across. Your vehicle, so this is all your vehicle status, so at the moment there's nothing wrong with the vehicle. Your tyre pressure sensors, and then if you click onto settings, that just brings up everything else. So you've got your background lighting, which you've got 3 colours on this. You've got orange, crystal white or ice blue, which again at night is a lovely it stands out really well. And I think that is it on the radio. And then moving down here, you've got your dual zone digital climate with heated front seats, where again the passenger can have an alternate one to the driver. You've got your DSG gearbox, your driving modes, so you've got normal, eco, sport, your push button start, and then moving into the centre here, you've got 2 cup holders, you've got your automatic handbrake and your auto hold assist, so if you're in traffic, you just keep your foot on the brake and it'll just keep it set there in standard. You've got your front centre armrest with a USB-C input in on the vehicle. But sorry, I forgot to mention, you have got front and rear parking sensors, so as soon as you park, you put the car in reverse, they come up on the screen here. But yeah, moving on to the back of the vehicle again, you can see that you've got Isofix, and again, all the interior is in good order. So if you have any further questions on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a contact via email at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.